After downloading IBO Player on your preferred device, the setup process begins. Once the 7-day free trial is over, just open the app and note your MAC address and device key. This is exactly how our official app looks on Android devices and smart TVs. Make sure you're using the correct version. If it doesn't look like this, it's a fake. Avoid any other apps trying to copy our design. Always download from trusted sources or the links we provide. Next, search for IBO Player in your browser or go directly to www.iboplayer.com. Click on Manage Playlist, then enter your MAC address and device key to log in. Once you're logged in, go to Activate a Device and choose your preferred payment option. Before continuing, make sure to read the instructions carefully. Fill out the form with your correct details, like your full name, email, and phone number. The activation is lifetime and costs only